Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error when an Uber Eats promo doesn't apply to your order. Let us troubleshoot this issue together. First step, you will need to check your promo eligibility. First, make sure the promo code you're trying to use is still valid and applies to the items in your cart. Some promos are restricted to a specific restaurants or orders over a certain amount. If the promo should apply, try re-entering the code manually at checkout. Sometimes, a simple re-entry can fix the issue. If the problem still persists, try clearing the cache of your Uber Eats application or restarting the app. This can resolve any temporary glitches. If none of these steps work, contact Uber Eats and custom contact Uber Eats customer support through the application. Provide details about the promo and your order to get assistance. And that's how you fix the Uber Eats promo did not apply error. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.